What is the Zhaga Book 18? Do you know when it came up? In the last video, we saw that the Zhaga Consortium was formed in 2010 to develop a set of standardized specifications so that LED modules, lighting components, controllers, and systems are interchangeable and compatible. So, what is the Zhaga Book 18? I will tell you. The first standardized specification developed by the Zhaga Consortium in May 2012. Zhaga Book 1. The Zhaga Consortium has continued to introduce new standards over the years. The Zhaga Book 18 specification, announced in July 2012, is a new specification that adds IoT features to outdoor LED lighting, defining the interface between LED drivers and LED light sources. It provides a way to standardize so that different LED modules can be interchangeable, thus improving the flexibility and maintainability of LED lighting systems. The Zhaga Book 18 also includes physical and electrical specifications to ensure the safety and reliability of LED models. I'm Aubrey from Shanghai LONGJOIN. What is Zhaga Book 18? Do you understand? Want to know more content? Welcome to leave a message to tell me. If you like our videos, please help to like and follow them. Bye!